Hi YouTube family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a Valentine's nail tutorial for you guys. It is one of my old designs that I wanted to replicate, and I wanted to do something a little different, kind of like give it a twist, but get inspired by my old work because I feel like I haven't done this design in about 2 to 3 years. It is super old and one of my first YouTube videos, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get started. As a standard procedure, I am starting by removing the air bubbles out of my brush, and I am using monomer for that. And I am grabbing a little bit of the crystal clear acrylic because I am going to be building a stiletto tip, and I am applying a thin layer because my design is going to be on top of this. And of course, as always, you guys know I don't like for my nails to be bulky or thick, and I am just using the usual number 14 brush. This is a very standard procedure, and the forms that I'm using are Easy Flow. I use these forms in literally all my videos, so if you guys want to know which ones they are, I have the links to the forms in other videos. I am grabbing a little bit more of crystal clear acrylic to just pick up these pieces of cellophane paper or angel paper, and I cut them into long triangles, and I just want them to kind of like come to a point to go with the stiletto form. The reason why I'm using the crystal clear acrylic is to secure the pieces, so when I manipulate the other products on top of the cellophane pieces, they don't come off. I waited until the nail dried, not all the way, but it is almost all the way, I would say, and I pinched it a little bit using my fingers, and I am taking it off, and I want to make sure that the pieces of cellophane are stuck, literally stuck to the surface of this nail, so when I apply this pink glitter that you guys are seeing, it doesn't come off or it doesn't move. So what I'm going to do now is I am just going to apply this on by the cuticle area and all the way up until I would say half of the nail, and then I am going to remove the excess using a pink cutter. You guys are going to see that later in the video, and throughout this whole video I am using the same brush. I am applying a super thin layer. It doesn't have to be full coverage because we are going to add heart later on. However, I do want it to be even. I don't want it to be patchy. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, and trust me, it is going to make a huge difference. You can go ahead and add a little bit more of monomer if needed. It is completely up to you, and monomer is going to help you shape the piece of acrylic that you are applying into whatever you want. And this is the pink cutter that I am using, and hey guys, I can see myself. Well, anyway, I am using the number 9 for this, but feel free to use whatever number fits your nail, and I am just removing evenly and very gently so I don't move the cellophane paper, and I am just using a little bit more of monomer, just plain all monomer, to remove any pieces of glitter, any stubborn glitter that is remaining on the nail. Now for the prettiest part of the nail, I think, or one of the prettiest parts, the statement piece of the nail. I am adding hearts, and I am just going to space them out and make them look nice on the nail. I am using crystal clear acrylic to secure them on the nail, and monomer to move them around, just like anything else. You guys know the drill, you guys know how it goes, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. While I finished this nail up, I wanted to touch bases on why I went back to my old angles, as you can see, and it is because I read a gazillion comments from you guys, and you guys requested for me to go back to my old angles, so I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I am just here for you guys, so whatever you guys request, you guys get. And I also wanted to tell you that I have decided to do like a one nail tutorial, and then here and there I'll do a full set, and it is to give you guys inspiration and for you guys to incorporate it into your set. I want you guys to be creative, and I want you guys to really, you know, incorporate things into the sets of nails that you guys will be creating in the future, and tag me guys. I love to see what you create inspired by what I show you. It is really the reason why I am here. And well, Now, going back to the video, I am encapsulating. You guys know how this goes. I am encapsulating the whole nail. I am going to let it dry 100%, and I am going to be removing the excess using a hand file and my e-file. Just a quick little tip for those of you who don't know, to tell if a nail is dry or not, when it is acrylic, you can just tap it. If it makes a tapping noise, it is dry. And also, you can see by the way it looks, if it's foggy, that means it is dry for the most part, because when it is wet still, you can see kind of like clearer. So I hope that makes sense. Now, I have cleansed this nail with 99% alcohol, and I am just adding SS4 Swarovski crystals, and I am using the same SWAROVSKI base nail glue that I always use. It is the one they use for the dipping powder. It is actually a resin, so don't let anybody fool you. And I am using an orange stick with umbrella jelly, and I am just adding SS4 Swarovski crystals to the edge of the French. Or maybe I should say at the edge of the almond, but you guys get what I mean. And actually, I wanted to mention this before I finish this tutorial. I got the inspiration to do this nail from one of my old videos from my YouTube channel. I would say like 2 to 3 years ago, maybe a little longer, I can't remember, but that goes to show how much you can improve. I am going to link the video for you guys to see how much I've improved in doing nails, my filming, my techniques, everything. And that goes to show that just in a little bit of time you can improve, because by the time I recreated that design for the first time, I was already so much better. So I want to be the light at the end of the tunnel for you guys. Never ever give up, and I want to encourage you guys to continue in your nail career. If you believe in yourself, please continue, because so many times before I felt like giving up, and now I feel like I just went on a rant, but I really hope you guys take that into consideration. And what I did now is I just added gel top coat only on the nail, not on top of the crystals, and I clean the crystals that I touch with the top coat. I cure that for 30 seconds, and now I am doing the bottom, and I am also going to cure that upside down, as you can see, for 30 seconds as well. And to finish the nail off, I am adding cuticle oil, because who likes ashy fingers? Nobody. And ashy cuticles. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope to see you guys next time. I hope everybody has a beautiful Valentine's Day, and let me know in the comments down below what you think, and if you guys want to see something specific next time. Mwah! Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.